Hello kaibigan, kumusta? Ikaw ba ay pagod na living paycheck to paycheck? Payday, papasok dito, lalabas agad. Kulang na kulang. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Kailangan natin ng part-time job. I know. One job is not enough. Pero I found this. Part-time job, may gadget ka lang, may internet, you can do it anytime, anywhere. Kahit nagbakasyon ka, kayang-kaya mong gawin. No hassle. You can do it anytime, anywhere. If you say no, you will never learn, you will never know that it's life-changing. Subukan mo para hindi na lang laging paycheck to paycheck at pagod na pagod ang katawan. Kaka-overtime after your full-time job. It's okay, you can do this part-time. No hassle. You can just sit down on the dinner table and do it anytime, anywhere of the day. See you. Sana maging business partner tayo for a big team, for a big 2024, for a better life. Mag-retire tayo agad kapag nakaipon na tayo ng maraming pera para sa family. And of course, you can go for a vacation. Have a happy life. Thank you.